Hi, so for this part of the presentation, I just want to give you a quick tour of novelistK8plus. So if you're looking for books for your child and you don't really know what to get, this is a good tool that's available to you. So I'm at the Monmouth County Library website and I go to the research databases and you'll see it's right here. So I'm going to click on login. I would need my library card number, key that in and sign in, and this is the screen that you're going to see. And the home page, you can see that it's broken down teens, ages 9 to 12, ages 0 to 8, and fiction and nonfiction. So it's a good starting point. And if you just think like, oh, maybe the best of is a good list to start, you can see that list and it pops up. Okay, so this is just one tool that's available to you. The other feature that I wanted to highlight through Novelist is the read-alikes. So if there's a book that your child likes or that you liked and you maybe want to get different books to recommend for him or her, you can go to this top, switch it to title, and I'm just going to take Are You There? God, It's Me, Margaret. Judy Blume. It's a nice fun classic. So here's the book, and then if you look over to the right, you see read-alikes. So that's another way that you can get ideas for books or material for your child to read. And this tool is also available for you as an adult. So you would just go to the novelistK8plus. All right? So we'll look forward to seeing you soon.